Smith at the 9, so we got 5. All right, here we go. Joey Bourdon on the tone. Matt England, Kyle Inman, Tim Powers, James Doherty, Mike Eglberger, Brooke Sasinowski, Brandon Burns. All right now it's a 15.505 TQ here. Bourdon around with 20 flat, England 19.8, Inman 20.1. Powers 21.2, Doherty 21.0. Bourdon coming back around 19.9, England 19.4. So England stretching it out here, just under a second over Bourdon. Inman at 3 spot, 20.4. Brandon Burns hot lapping at 20.6. Here's your top 2 cars. England 20.5. Bourdon had a little rough lap, little bobble there, 22.4. Inman with a little trouble there. Let's see what Burns has. Could take that 2 spot with a good lap here. There he is. Burns 21.7, so it's England, Bourdon, and Burns now. England back around 19.7 with a 16.5, 18 pace here. Good run going for Matt England. Bourdon with a 21.0. Inman hot lapping at 20 flat now. So top 4 cars here. Still a tight battle going. 130 down with 3.5 to go. England 19.7 hot lap out of Burns 20.1. Puts him in the 2 spot now. Bourdon with a 21.0. Now a 19.9 for Bourdon. Hot lap for him back in that 2 spot. Inman 20.5. Burns back around the hot lap again, 19.8, takes over that 2 spot from Bourdon now. Tight battle there for that 2 spot. Matt England out front, 3.5 seconds the gap there. England 20.8, Bourdon 20.2, Inman 19.6, another hot lap out of him. Looking for Brandon Burns, come around here. We'll see what he's got on this lap here in that top 4 battle. Burns 23.7, so a little trouble there, drops him down to 4th. Inman up to 3rd, England. Bourdon, your top 2, less than 2 seconds to gap now. Bourdon putting some pressure on England here. 20.2, 21.6 out of England. Inman with a 22.4. Halfway point here, 2:30 down with 2:30 remaining. England, Bourdon, Inman, Burns, and Doherty. England around hot laps at 19.1, trying to stretch his legs on Bourdon. Bourdon 20.1, now a 3-second gap there. Inman 22.5, gonna let Bourdon stretch his legs in that 2 spot a little bit now. Bourdon gonna set his sights on Matt England here for that top spot. 15.502 TQ pace right now for Matt England. There he is, 21.7. Bourdon 22.1, Burns 24.1. .145 remaining, Inman 21.2. Still Matt England out front, 3 seconds over Joey Bourdon here. There's England 19.9. Bourdon gonna be right behind him with a 20.7. Burns 22.1. Inman 19.8. England stretching it out 4 seconds over Bourdon now. 15.504, still enough for TQ pace here in round 2. England with a 19.4, Bourdon 20 flat, 4.5 seconds to gap there. Burns with a 23.3. 1 minute to go. Looks like a little trouble for Kyle Inman now. See how that's going to shake up that 3rd place position here. Meanwhile, Matt England, your leader, 24.8. A little rough lap there. Let's see what Bourdon has. Bourdon 23.7. So a little slower lap for him as well. So that's going to keep Matt England 3.5 seconds out front with 45 seconds to go. England falling off that TQ pace, though. He's going to have to find those fast laps here at the end of this one. There he is, hot lapping at 19.1, making up some time. Putting him on a 5.07 pace now. Bourdon 21.0. Burns hot lapping it with a 19.8 in that 3 spot now. England still got to make up some time here. Got to find a couple more of those hot laps here. 15 seconds to go. England into some traffic now. With Bourdon hot on his tail here. Oh, it looks like Bourdon takes a tumble onto the straightaway. England around with a 23.7. Not going to help him a whole lot there, but Bourdon taking a tumble should be enough to give England the win here. Looks like he's going to settle for that second spot overall, but a win here. Not a bad run, though, in this second round of qualifying. Clock has expired. Everybody's still live here. There's England finishing up 15.509, holding on to that two-spot overall. Burns, Sasinowski finished up. Bourdon going to finish up at a 15.519, putting him in that 5-spot overall right now. And looking for Eglberger, there he is, that's the race. Those cars down out to Marshall.